Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm about to completely destroy my makeup, which I actually really enjoyed today. So I'm kind of looking at this bin of weird products going, do I really want to do this? We're gonna dive right in and try out a bunch of stranger items that I really didn't want to do a standalone video on, but I kind of just wanted to play with. I don't have the biggest amount of faith that these are gonna be go-to items, but again, I think that we all express ourselves very differently with makeup, and maybe some of these are great quality, even though they are on the strange side, and maybe they could work out. So I think we should just dive right in. The first thing we are going to try out is this right here. How adorable is this? First off, I think it's super cute. This is called Cola Soda Gloss, and this I got off of Shop Mercier. Shop Mercier does have some really good things. Like, I keep using the brow pomade. In fact, I think I have it right up here. I use one of their setting powders quite often. What else do I like? Some of their lip toppers, like the glittery ones. Oh my gosh, really good for $1. They have an egg-shaped beauty blender-ish egg sponge, you know, they have a sponge. All right, this does not smell like cola at all. Oh, it says strawberry on the bottom. Lame. That gives you kind of like a, it's summertime and I just had a popsicle and put a little clear gloss on. That's the kind of vibe that I'm getting from this, and I just think this is so stinking cute. Like, I love this jar, or what do we call, I love it. Weird item number 2. This is a long-lasting liquid lipstick that has a lot of like duochrome properties in here, and I have only kind of seen this in a gloss. I've never seen this in a dry down formula, and that's what intrigued me so much. Like, will this dry down matte and then still have this like duochrome type of a look? I want to find out. I think you want to find out. We're all going to find out together. It's happening. I feel like a lizard. I kind of like it. I don't know, I kind of like it. Definitely would not be like my go-to everyday liquid lip, but do we like it? I don't know. Now I'm changing my mind. I'm that girl. I'm like, I love it. No, I don't. You think so? And then someone's like, yes, it's great. And you're like, no. Another weird product. Okay, this is from Beauty by Pop Sugar, and right in front of me, like I can see in the monitor, it's not picking up as much. I'm gonna try to do a close-up where I can show you, but it looks like I am holding a glow stick. This reminds me a little bit of something that BH Cosmetics came out with a while back, and it was supposed to be holographic lip gloss, and it was like an oil spill type of an effect, and if you put it over darker lipsticks, it looked really cool. I just kind of want to test this right on the top here, and then maybe I'll put on like a darker one. Ooh, okay, well, this is a problem. I wish you guys could see that. The applicator's pretty frayed. The scent of this is nice. It has like a chocolatey mint. Oh my God, it's making me really hungry. I want some chocolate right now. It really did nothing. I'm gonna have to try this over top something darker. So I think we should move on to something away from the lips and play with the eyebrows for a moment. Benefit came out with these. Okay, they're 3D brow tones. This is a 3D brow tones in magenta. We have one in rich purple, another in deep teal. I'm gonna go in with magenta first and just try this on top of my eyebrow. Now you guys, when I showed you something from Essence, I believe it was either Essence or Catrice, there were like brow toppers that were all these crazy colors, and I sat down here and I was like, no, ew, gross, don't like it. And so many of you guys are like, no, some people love that, they're so into it, it's like a thing right now. And so I was like, okay, well, I feel dumb, but I just never thought people would be that into this. I don't know. We're about to find out. Let's see how this looks. I'm not holding back. I mean, do I look cooler? Do we like this? Are we into this? Would you wear this? I don't know. So these are said to be very long wearing, smudge resistant. They're $24, and they're going to just hold your brow in place and add a tint. I have 4 colors. I'm not sure if there's more in the collection yet as far as the tinted ones. They are not released, I don't think, yet. I'm gonna try out rich purple. My mom would like this. She'd probably put it in her hair though. I mean, it doesn't like dramatically tint your brows, so I guess if you're you know, really into playing with color on the face and in the hair, and you want something fun like this for your brows, I say go for it. They also have a copper, they also have a deep blue, but I'm gonna throw these in a giveaway instead of wasting them trying more colors on my eyebrows. All right, moving on, we have a very inappropriately named mascara. Why did they call it this? Like, honestly, this is the cringiest name for a mascara. It's called Double Team. Urban Decay, I swear to God. Wow, that is, look at how blue that is. Woo! I'm gonna put this on the lower lashes. Obviously, I'm wearing falsies. Ooh, okay, I got it. One is a cream, one is a metallic. So you go for the cream first. I'm gonna put this on my lower lash line just to kind of bump up the color and see what this is. Oh, Lord have mercy. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's actually really cool. Whoa, holy smokes. You guys, colored mascaras never show up this colored. This is like crazy. I kind of like it. I'm gonna try magenta on the other side. This is gonna look bad. I don't think this will look good. I kind of dig the blue, but let's go with magenta. That actually looks kind of neat. I mean, depending on the makeup that you did, this could be really cool. All right, let's go in with the metallic. All right, it's when you get greedy and like go for more that you start to have a potential issue because I got carried away. But the initial coat was really good. I think the metallic topper is a little bit more gloppy. There are 5 shades in the collection. They are $24. You get 2 mascaras in one. Make sure you wipe off the metallic top coat before you go in, otherwise it can just be a little bit too much. But aside from that, I think it's really cool, really, really neat and vibrant colored mascara. Normally they're a little toned down where it almost feels like, is this black or is it like a deep teal or a royal plum purple, which is fine because that can enhance your eye color. But if you're looking for something to really give you that like wow, show-stopping type of an effect to pair with louder makeup, or you just want that kind of an effect as a pop of color on the lower lash line, I think these are pretty cool. I wanted to play with these. This is from Wonder Brow, not Wonder Brow, they're called Wonder 2, Wonder something. I love Wonder Brow, but they have expanded their brand. And if you go into CVS, you will see like a whole section where they have different things for under the eye. They have glosses, and now they have these really cool glitter jellies. But the thing is, you guys, this glitter jelly is like freaking thick ass glitter. Thick glitter. Do you see that? I just want to show you. Like the dots of glitter in here are like it's like glitter freckles. I don't know how you're supposed to use this, and I don't think that you would want to put this like around your eyeball. Oh, they sell this at Ulta. All right, it has pretty bad reviews. There are 4 colors. Take a small amount of glitter jelly from the pot with a finger or brush and tap on desired area. How? Is that safe? I mean, it looks kind of cool. Oh, and the gel in this one is glittery. Oh my Jesus, help me. Okay, we're taking it off the inner corner because all of a sudden it really started burning my eyeball. Ophthalmologist is so mad at me right now. Oh my God, ow, 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 ow. Not, like, no exaggeration. I'm not even making this up. Now you see the truth. I like a good full coverage foundation and concealing. Do not judge me. This shade right here, Citrine, does not have any iridescence in the gel. This shade right here, Diamond, does. So you could put it on the high points of the face and kind of have it be a highlight. But this gel, once it gets in your eye, it just really, really stings. And like, even though I read online that it says put it wherever, I just still think common sense, and I'm sorry that I was a bad influence for like 2 seconds, but common sense with these larger glitter pieces, if you get that in your eye, they are not shaped for your eye. Cosmetic glitter that says it's safe for eyes is rounded, so it's not gonna cut your eye. And you probably don't wanna cut your eye because your eyes are important, so don't do that. Just use it on the body or the face. Okay, we have an item from Milk. This says that you can put it on top of already done eye makeup. So this is called the Gold Foil Face Gloss, and I'm gonna put it on the face and on top of my eyes just so we can kind of play and see what happens. Oh, ooh, Whoa, that is so weird. That is like expensive Vaseline. It's like golden jelly. All right, that might be one of the few glosses that I actually like. I like the color of the golden flecks that are in there, and it's sticky enough and not oily like the Kevyn Aucoin one. Oh, that was really bad. Do you see like all the stuff going on in there? And it's making my eyeshadow crease straight away. So that is the drawback when you do put this on top of any shadow. It will make it crease. There's really no way around it. So if you like this kind of a look on the face, it's really pretty. On the body, it's really pretty. On the lips, it could be really pretty. But on the eyes, you probably want to wear it solo with a little mascara and liner and not on top of shadow. Just my 2 cents. I want to remove my lipstick. Ooh, that liquid lip came off like without oil. For her last trick, she will try on a heart-shaped lipstick. How cute is that, right? Super cute, but it really doesn't matter if it makes it kind of crazy to put on. Like I had to kind of clean up the edges. The little like swoop in the top of the heart kind of does not allow you to really line up your lip just right. It's a challenge. Really pretty color though. I'm covered in makeup and glitter, and this was a lot of fun trying out all of these weirder, not like your everyday basic makeup routine products, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. I will randomly just shout out to you guys that I love the formula of Guerlain lipsticks. The shape of this makes it really difficult to use, but it is pretty, so you guys decide if it's worth the purchase for you or not. This gold foil gloss topper, I love. I'm definitely going to use this a lot during, the warmer weather here on the shoulders, on the face, on the lips. I think it's really different and beautiful, and the texture of it is perfect. I also surprisingly really like the colored mascaras. The brow tints are not for me, but I can see other people enjoying them. This reminds me so much of the BH Cosmetics version that it's really up to you if you're into this kind of a gloss. It kind of looks cool right when you're putting it on, but then the effect just disappears pretty quickly. It smells nice. It made me hungry. The gloss feels pretty good, but beyond that, it's not like the coolest holographic, most amazing thing ever. The Ofra lippies are nice too. It's just, again, are you into those colors? Do you want a duochromatic liquid lip? Maybe. Maybe not. I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Hit the thumbs up button. Make sure that you have rung the notification bell so that you can be informed of when I upload new videos. That will help you out because I know there's been a problem with the feed. You won't get my videos unless you hit that bell. So make sure if you want to see my videos that not only are you subscribed, but you also hit the notification bell. All right, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.